Hey!
What's up?
So we are going to Hamilton Pool today. I'm with Julian.
Who?
Julian.
Who's that?
You.
Who's that?
You. Are you excited?
No, not excited at all. She dragged me into this.
Basically. I dragged him to hang out with me. Because I don't have any friends.
Of course. But she's paying me, so it's okay.
Yeah. $10 a day.
An hour.
No. Hey.
So I'm driving. I'm not supposed to be using a phone, or else I'll get pulled over by the cops. But
Julian!
don't worry, everything's under control. So this is my first vlogging session.
Vlogging.
Video
blog.
Vlogging. Very different. It's not the same. And super stoked. Yeah. I blanked. I'm nervous.
It's so much fun to vlog. You just have to act natural. It's just about being yourself.
I don't have to like that.
It's relatable. We made it, and we're gonna go on a hike. We're gonna swim. Right.
Right. There's a hike?
Huh?
There's a hike?
Yes. Yeah, it's like a little hike.
I thought we'd just go in and swim.
No. Really?
Yeah.
No. It's a hike too. Like you have to hike to the pool.
That's great.
I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you.
That's true. Laughing till we think we're down, barefoot on the summer night. Never could be sweeter than with you.
And in the streets you run free, like it's only you and me. Cheers, you're something to see. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
Impressed?
Huh?
Are you impressed?
Very impressed.
Very impressed. Look at that. So pretty. There's E.Coli though, so you can't swim.
Not good.
We don't want to die today, I don't think.
We wouldn't die. Just get really, really sick.
Well, you fell on the concrete and nearly broke your ass, and you were bleeding all over the place, and I rushed you off to the hospital. You remember that?
Yes, I do.
Well, there's something I never told you about that night.
What did you tell me?
While you were sitting in the back seat smoking a cigarette you thought was going to be your last, I was falling deeply.
Enjoying this. Not pain.
We're just going on a nature walk. Through nature. You know, because nature's neat.
Nature's neat.
Give me some. This is where our hike left us. The Pedernales River.
Home to the great big white alligator.
You see it? If you find it, you win a prize. Try to tell me this is not what I Jurassic Park. The Stegosaurus is like right there. Triceratops walking this way. It's the one that swims.
The fish one. The fish dinosaur.
Which fish one?
The Ichthyosaurus.
Here comes an Ichthyosaurus down the river. So, oh no, oh no, no. You're sweaty.
And you like it.
This is pretty.
You know what else is pretty?
What?
Sir Milton.
Hey, that's me. He's kind of cool.